Good day, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we're making tender, far up the bone ribs, the kind of dinner the whole family will enjoy. And while we're cooking, I'll be sharing some fun facts about ribs and cooking you probably didn't know. Don't forget, the full list of ingredients is in the video description below. You'll need about 1 rack of pork back ribs, roughly 3 pounds, or about 1.5 kilos. First, trim off the excess fat and remove thin white membrane on the back. This step helps the ribs absorb flavor evenly and keeps them from being chewy. Did you know that in barbecue competitions, judges will actually subtract points if rib falls completely off the bone? That's because pros say the perfect rib should bite cleanly, not collapse. But hey, for home cooking, we love fall off the bone tender. And depending on where you shop, like Costco, that membrane might already be removed for you. Next, squeeze about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. That's 1 lime or half a lemon. Coat the ribs evenly. This step is super important because the acids help break down the connective tissue, giving you that far apart texture. Citrus juices don't just tenderize meat. They also help with flavor penetration by opening up the muscle fibers. Now for the dry rub. In a bowl, mix 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 4 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 2 teaspoons of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of parsley flakes. Mix it well and break up any sugar lumps. This recipe coats about 3 pounds of ribs, but I recommend doubling it. More rub means more flavor. Smoked paprika comes from peppers dried over firewood, which is why it gives such a rich, smoky taste even before you hit the grill or oven. Now transfer the rub to a plate. Roll your rib pieces in it and coat them thoroughly. Place them meaty side down on a lined baking tray, single layer. Cover tightly with foil, shiny side up. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 2.5 hours on the middle rack. Low and slow is the secret here. The reason ribs need long cooking because of collagen. It melts into gelatin at low temperatures, giving you that melt in your mouth tenderness. After 2.5 hours, carefully drain any excess liquid. Then brush your ribs with your favorite barbecue sauce. Pop them back into the oven, uncovered, on boil for 3 to 5 minutes. But keep a close eye on it. The sauce can burn fast. Soon as it bubbles and caramelizes, take them out. And there you have it. 4 up-the-bone pork ribs. Juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. The perfect family dinner option. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment about your favorite rib style. And of course, subscribe for more fun and tasty recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.